వెల్కమ్ టు జిఎస్ అకాడమీ. సింగరేణి జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ 2022 కోసం కంప్యూటర్ అవేర్నెస్ నుండి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ ఆఫీస్ వాస్ డెవలప్డ్ బై డాష్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ ఐఎన్సి 1970s, ఆప్షన్ బి మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ ఐఎన్సి 1980s, ఆప్షన్ సి సన్ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ 1980s, ఆప్షన్ డి సన్ మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్ ఐఎన్సి 1970. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి Microsoft INC 1980s. Question number 2. Which of the following is a basic software of MS Office? Option A MS Word, option B MS Excel, option C MS PowerPoint, MS Access, option D all of the above. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D all of the above. Question number 3. MS Word is in dash. Option A tabular data, option B formatting software, option C presentation software, option D word processing software. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D word processing software. Question number 4. Email client is the future of dash. Option A MS Word, option B MS Excel, option C MS PowerPoint, option D MS Outlook. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి ఎంఎస్ అవుట్లుక్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 5. ద ఫస్ట్ బార్ ఆఫ్ ఎంఎస్ వర్డ్ ఈజ్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ మెనూ బార్, ఆప్షన్ బి స్టేటస్ బార్, ఆప్షన్ సి టైటిల్ బార్, ఆప్షన్ డి ఫార్మాటింగ్ టూల్ బార్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ మెనూ బార్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 6. షార్ట్ కట్ ఫర్ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ ద ఫుల్ పేజీ యాజ్ దే ఆర్ ప్రింటెడ్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ Control plus F1, option B Control plus F2, option C Shift plus F1, option D Shift plus F2. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B Control plus F2. Question number 7. The letter and number of the intersecting column and row is the dash. Option A cell location, option B cell position, option C cell address, ఆప్షన్ డి సెల్ కోఆర్డినేట్స్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి సెల్ అడ్రస్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 8. బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఆన్ విచ్ పేజ్ ద హెడర్ ఆర్ ఫూటర్ ఈస్ ప్రింటెడ్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఆన్ ఫస్ట్ పేజ్, ఆప్షన్ బి ఆన్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ పేజ్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఆన్ ఎవ్రీ పేజ్, ఆప్షన్ డి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ది అబోవ్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి ఆన్ ఎవ్రీ పేజ్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 9. Which bar is usually located below title bar? The provides categorized options. Option A menu bar, option B status bar, option C toolbar, option D scroll bar. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A menu bar. Question number 10. Which is the shortcut key to display open dialog box? Option A F12, option B Shift plus F12, option C Alt plus F12, option D Control plus F12. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A F12. Question number 11. Which of the following will use as an option for saving a file? Option A save button on standard toolbar, option B save option from file menu, option C pressing Control plus S, ఆప్షన్ డి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎబో. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎబో. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 12. అలైన్మెంట్ బటన్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్ ఆన్ విచ్ టూల్ బార్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ స్టేటస్, ఆప్షన్ బి స్టాండర్డ్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఫార్మాటింగ్, ఆప్షన్ డి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దీస్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి ఫార్మాటింగ్. Question number 13. Where you can find the horizontal split bar on MS Word screen. Option A on the left of horizontal scroll bar, option B on the right of horizontal scroll bar, option C on the top of vertical scroll bar, option D on the bottom of vertical scroll bar. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C on the top of vertical scroll bar. Question number 14. How many ways you can save a document? ఆప్షన్ ఏ 3, ఆప్షన్ బి 4, ఆప్షన్ సి 5, ఆప్షన్ డి 6. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ 3. ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పుకున్న క్వశ్చన్ ఇది 11th క్వశ్చన్. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ విల్ యూజ్ యాజ్ an ఆప్షన్ ఫర్ సేవింగ్ ఏ ఫైల్? three ways. Option 1, option A, option B, option C. These 3 ways. Question number 15. To open a new file in MS Word, the shortcut key is used. Option A, Ctrl plus X. Option B, Ctrl plus N. Option C, Ctrl plus Y. Option D, Ctrl plus V. Correct answer వచ్చేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి. Question number 16. Which extension is given to Word document by default? Option A, .exe. Option B, .com. Option C, .docdoc. Option D, all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, .docdoc. Question number 17. Header is dash. Option A, any text printed at the top of every page. Option B, any graphics printed at the top of every page. Option C, any text or graphics printed at the top of a particular page. Option D, any text or graphics printed at the top of every page. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, any text or graphics printed at the top of every page. Question number 18. You can start Microsoft Word by using which button? Option A, New. Option B, Start. Option C, Program. Option D, all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, Start button. Question number 19. Which of the following is not an option of edit menu? Option A, Cut. Option B, Copy. Option C, Paste. Option D, Page setup. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, Page setup. Question number 20. When you start MS Word, the opening document has the name as option A, Doc1. Option B, Document1. Option C, Document. Option D, Workbook. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, Document1. Question number 21. After selecting the replace option from the edit menu, the following dialog box appear. Option A, replace. Option B, find. Option C, find and replace. Option D, edit. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, find and replace. Question number 22. Which PowerPoint view displays each slide of the presentation as a thumbnail and is useful for rearranging slides? Option A, slide sorter. Option B, slideshow. Option C, slide master. Option D, notes page. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, slide sorter. Question number 23. Blinking point which shows your position in the text is called. Option A, cursor. Option B, blinker. Option C, position. Option D, states. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, cursor. Question number 24. In Word, you can force a page break. Option A, by positioning your cursor at the appropriate place and pressing the F1 key. Option B, by positioning your cursor at the appropriate place and pressing the Ctrl plus Enter. Option C, by using the insert section break. Option D, by changing the font size of your document. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, by using the insert or section break. Question number 25. When cutting and pasting the item cut is temporarily stored in. Option A, ROM. Option B, hard drive. Option C, diskette. Option D, dashboard. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, hard drive. Thank you for watching. Welcome to GS Academy. Singareni Junior Assistant 2022 కోసం కంప్యూటర్ అవేర్నెస్ నుండి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి కంప్యూటర్ ఈజ్ AR N. Option 1 battery, option 2 electronic machine, option 3 all of these, option 4 none of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 2 computer is an electronic machine. Question number 2. The word computer has been derived from which of the following languages? Option A Greek, option 2 English, option 3 Hindi, option 4 Latin. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 4 Latin. Question number 3. IC is made up of dash. Option A transistors, option 2 microprocessors, option 3 vacuum tubes, option 4 both 1 and 2. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 1 transistors. Question number 4. Speed of first generation computer was in dash. Option 1 nanoseconds, option 2 milliseconds, option 3 nanomilliseconds, option 4 microseconds. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 4 microseconds. Question number 5. Time sharing became possible in dash generation of computers. Option 1 first generation, option 2 second generation, option 3 third generation, option 4 fourth generation. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 2 second generation. Question number 6. Computer cannot perform. Option 1 input, option 2 output, option 3 thinking, option 4 processing. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 3 thinking. Question number 7. Computer system consists of option 1 internal device, option 2 peripheral device, option 3 software, option 4 all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 4 all of these. ఇవన్నీ. Question number 4. Which of the following is known as the father of computer? Option 1 Dennis Ritchie, option 2 Napier, option 3 Charles Babbage, option 4 Alan Turing. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 3 Charles Babbage. Question number 9. Which of the following is known as the father of modern computer? Option A Danny Richard, option 2 Napier, option 3 Charles Babbage, option 4 Alan Turing. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి మీరే కామెంట్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 4. ఫస్ట్ జనరేషన్ కంప్యూటర్ యూజ్డ్ డాష్ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఆప్షన్ 1 మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్, ఆప్షన్ 2 అసెంబ్లీ లాంగ్వేజ్, ఆప్షన్ 3 బోత్ 1 and 2, ఆప్షన్ 4 హై లెవెల్ లాంగ్వేజ్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ 1 మెషిన్ లాంగ్వేజ్. Question number 11. Which of the following refers to the fastest, biggest and most expensive computer? Option 1 notebooks, option 2 personal computer, option 3 laptops, option 4 supercomputer. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 4 supercomputer. Question number 12. Computer size was very large in dash. Option 1 first generation, option 2 second generation, option 3 third generation, option 4 fourth generation. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 1 first generation. Question number 13. First generation computers were based on dash. Option 1 transistors, option 2 conductors, option 3 ICs, option 4 vacuum tubes. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 4 vacuum tubes. Question number 14. The earliest calculating device is option 1 calculator, option 2 abacus, option 3 difference engine, option 4 analytical engine. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 2 abacus. Question number 15. Which language is directly understood by the computer without translation program? Option 1 basic language, option 2 assembly language, option 3 high level language, option 4 machine language. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 4 machine language. Question number 16. Computer built before the first generation computer was. Option A mechanical, option 2 electromechanical, option 3 electrical, option 4 electronics. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 2 electromechanical. Question number 17. Abacus can perform option 1 addition, option 2 subtraction, option 3 multiplication, option 4 both 1 and 2. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 4 both 1 and 2. Addition, subtraction. Question number 18. Pascaline is also known by option 1 abacus, option 2 adding machine, option 3 division machine, option 4 difference machine. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 2 adding machine. Question number 9. Who developed integrated chip? Option 1 Robert Nayak, option 2 C. Babbage, Charles Babbage, option 3 J.S. Kilby, option 4 C.V. Raman. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 3 J.S. Kilby. Question number 20. Speed of third generation computer is option 1 millisecond, option 2 microsecond, option 3 nanosecond, option 4 picosecond. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 3 nanosecond. Question number 21st. Artificial intelligence is an example of option A option 1 first generation computer, option 2 second generation computer, option 3 third generation computer, option 4 fifth generation computer. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 4 fifth generation computer. Question number 22nd. First supercomputer of the world is option 1 CRAY1, option 2 PARAM, option 3 Tianhe 2, option 4 IBM 370. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 1 CRAY1. Question number 23rd. A dash is a microprocessor based computing device. Option 1 mainframe, option 2 personal computer, option 3 supercomputer, option 4 analog computer. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 2 personal computer. Question number 24. First computer of India is option 1 PARAM, option 2 Siddharth, option 3 IBM 370, option 4 CRAY1. Correct answer వచ్చేసి మీరే కామెంట్లో ఆన్సర్ చేయండి. Question number 25. Choose the odd one out. Option 1 microcomputer, option 2 mini computer, option 3 supercomputer, option 4 digital computer. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 4 digital computer. వెల్కమ్ టు జేఎస్ అకాడమీ. సింగరేణి జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ 2022 కోసం కంప్యూటర్ అవేర్నెస్ నుండి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. Question number 26. Which of the following can be used to select the entire document? Option A Control plus A, option B Alt plus F5, option C Shift plus A, option D Control plus 5. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A Control plus A. Question number 28. The dash defines the appearance and shape of letters, numbers and special characters. Option A font, option B font size, option C point, option D paragraph formatting. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A font. Question number 29. When entering text within a document, the enter key is normally pressed at the end of every dash. Option A line, option B sentence, option C paragraph, option D word. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A line. Question number 30. In MS Word, the default alignment for paragraph is option A left alignment, option B center alignment, option C right alignment, option D justified. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A left alignment. Question number 31. Which of the following is not available on the ruler of MS Word screen? Option A left indent, option B right indent, option C center indent, option D all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C center indent. Question number 32. To save an existing document with a different file name, click dash. Option A save button on the standard toolbar, Option B, save on the file menu. Option C, save as button on the standard toolbar. Option D, save as on the file menu. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, save as on the file menu. Question number 33. Insert date, format page, number and insert auto text or buttons on the dash toolbar. Option A, formatting. Option B, header and footer. Option C, standard. Option D, edit. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, formatting. Question number 34. To increase the line Question number 34. To increase the line spacing, use the dash shortcut key. Option A, Control plus L. Option B, Control plus E. Option C, Control plus 1. Option D, Control plus M. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, Control plus 1. Question number 35. Word has a list of predefined typing, spelling, capitalization and grammar errors that can defect and correct. Option A, auto entry. Option B, auto correct. Option C, auto add. Option D, auto spell. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, auto spell. Question number 36. Borders can be applied to. Option A, cells. Option B, paragraph. Option C, text. Option D, all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of these. Question number 37. Which of the following characteristics is used to compute dynamically the results from Excel data? Option A, goto. Option B, table. Option C, chart. Option D, formula and function. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, formula and function. Question number 38. What is the default line margin in Word document? Option A, 1.0. Option B, 1.15. Option C, 1.5. Option D, 2.0. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, 1.15. Question number 39. In this chart, only one data series can be plotted. Option A, pie chart. Option B, line. Option C, bar. Option D, column. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, pie chart. Question number 40. This chart shows the relationship of parts to a whole. Option A, pie. Option B, line. Option C, stacked bar. Option C, embedded. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, stacked bar. Question number 41. Which of the following is not a font style? Option A, bold. Option B, italic. Option C, superscript. Option D, regular. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, regular. Question number 42. It is a software tool that lets one enter, calculate, manipulate set of numbers. Option A, spreadsheets. Option B, spreadsheet. Option C, slide sheet. Option D, all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, spreadsheet. Question number 43. It is a grid of cells made up of horizontal and vertical columns. Option A, worksheet. Option B, sheet. Option C, Excel sheet. Option D, page. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, worksheet. Question number 44. Group of worksheets is known by. Option A, folder. Option B, document. Option C, workbook. Option D, books. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, workbook. Question number 45. A cell entry can be edited in the cell or dash. Option A, menu bar. Option B, edit menu. Option C, function bar. Option D, formula bar. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, formula bar. Question number 46. Portrait and landscape are dash. Option A, page orientation. Option B, paper size. Option C, page layout. Option D, page margin. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, page orientation. Question number 47. 3 types of data can be entered in a worksheet: number, character, text and dash. Option A, formulas. Option B, functions. Option C, logic. Option D, all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of these. Question number 48. To select the current column, press dash. Option A. Control plus spacebar. Option B. Control plus B. Option C. Shift plus enter. Option D. Control plus enter. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A. Control plus spacebar. Question number 49. Scatter chart is also known as option A. XX chart. Option B. YX chart. Option C. XY chart. Option D. YY chart. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C. XY chart. Question number 50. The extension of saved file in MS Excel is option A. .xis. Option B. .xas. Option C. .xlsx. Option D. .xll. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C. .xlsx. Thank you for watching. వెల్కమ్ టు జిఎస్ అకాడమీ. సింగరేణి జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ 2022 కోసం కంప్యూటర్ అవేర్నెస్ నుండి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి విచ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫాలోయింగ్ టోపాలజీస్ హ్యాస్ ద హైయెస్ట్ రిలయబిలిటీ? ఆప్షన్ ఏ స్టార్ టోపాలజీ. ఆప్షన్ బి బస్ టోపాలజీ. ఆప్షన్ సి రింగ్ టోపాలజీ. ఆప్షన్ డి మెస్ టోపాలజీ. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి మెస్ టోపాలజీ. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 2. Which among the following term is used for unauthorized copying of software to be used for personal gain instead of personal backup? Option A. Program theory. Option B. Data snatching. Option C. Software piracy. Option D. Program looting. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C. Software piracy. Question number 3. EDBIC code can support how many different representations of characters? Option A 256. Option B 149. Option C 1024. Option D 64. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A 256. EDBIC stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Question number 4. The main web page of a website is also known as option A content page. Option B home page. Option C introduction page. Option D first page. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B home page. Question number 5. What is a hyperlink? Option A. It is a text or image that you can click on to jump to a new document or page. Option B. It is an input type of multimedia file. Option C. It is a collection of directory of a web page. Option D. It is the home page of site. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A. It is a text or image that you can click on to jump to a new document page. Question number 6. What is a technique used to gain unauthorized access to computers whereby the intruder sends messages to a computer with an address indicating that the message is coming from a trusted host? Option A identify theft. Option B forging. Option C IP spoofing. Option D farming. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C IP spoofing. Question number 7. Portrait and landscape are option A page orientation. Option B page layout. Option C page size. Option D page view. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A page orientation. Question number 8. Internet access by transmitting digital data over the wires of a local telephone network is provided by option A leased line. Option B digital subscribe line. Option C digital signal line. Option D modem. Correct answer వచ్చేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి. Question number 9. Which of the following network devices is also called a concentrator? Option A switch. Option B router. Option C repeater. Option D hub. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D hub. Question number 10. What type of web technology creates an online community where people can make statements and others can read and respond to those statements? Option A iJournal. Option B పోడ్కాస్ట్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఏఎస్పి, ఆప్షన్ డి బ్లాగ్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి బ్లాగ్. Question number 11. What is the full form of EDI in computer? Option A, electronic data image. Option B, email data interchange. Option C, electronic data interchange. Option D, electronic digital interchange. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, electronic data interchange. Question number 12. What is the use of symbol in MS Excel? This symbol. Option A, allows you to make one reference for multiple cells located between two cells. Option B, is used to separate arguments in Excel spreadsheet formulas. Option C, it is an intersection operation. Option D, for sum of two cells. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 2, is used to separate arguments in Excel spreadsheet formulas. Question number 13. Which of the following shortcut key used to close the current window? Option A, Alt plus F7. Option B, Shift plus F4. Option C, Control plus F6. Option D, Alt plus F4. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option 4, D, Alt plus F4. Question number 14. What are programs such as Microsoft Edge that serve as navigable windows into the web called eyes? Option A, hypertext. Option B, web browser. Option C, internet. Option D, networks. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, web browsers. Question number 15. Which among the following is a self-contained step-by-step set of operations to be performed? Option A, system software. Option B, algorithm. Option C, network topology. Option D, application software. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, algorithm. Question number 16. Which of the following is an intersection of a row and column in a spreadsheet? Option A, formula. Option B, worksheet. Option C, address. Option D, cell. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, cell. Question number 17. Which of the following is a set of rules computer used to talk to each other? Option A, syntax. Option B, HTML. Option C, DOS command. Option D, protocol. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, protocol. Question number 18. Which of the following topology has a central controller or hub? Option A, star topology. Option B, mesh topology. Option C, ring topology. Option D, bus topology. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, star topology. Question number 19. Which shortcut key is used to create a new folder in MS Windows? Option A, Control plus W plus Shift. Option B, right click button on mouse plus F plus enter. Option C, right click button plus Q plus enter. Option D, Control plus Shift plus N. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, Control plus Shift plus N. Question number 20. The first computers were programmed using which of the following language? Option A, assembly language. Option B, machine language. Option C, source code. Option D, object code. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, machine language. Question number 21. Which of the following is not example of utility software? Option A, backup software. Option B, antivirus software. Option C, disk tools. Option D, media player. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, media player. Question number 22nd. Copying a process from memory to disk to allow space for other process is called? Option A, swapping. Option B, deadlock. Option C, demand paging. Option D, page fault. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, swapping. Question number 23rd. Which of the following is a translator program used for assembly language? Option A, compiler. Option B, interpreter. Option C, translation. Option D, assembler. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, assembler. Question number 24. What is the technical term for the devices connected in a network? Option A, hubs. Option B, nodes. Option C, sections. Option D, attachment units. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, nodes. Question number 25. Which of the following is the communication protocol that sets the standard used by almost every computer that accesses web-based information? Option A, XML. Option B, DML. Option C, HTTP. Option D, HTML. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, HTML. Thanks for watching. Second question అండి, third question వచ్చేసింది. ఓకే, ఇక క్వశ్చన్లోకి వస్తే క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. DBMS is dash. Option A, collection of data. Option B, set of programs to access those data. Option C, set of programs to update those data. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the above. Question number 2. Devices that could be used to input data into a database are: option A, keyboard, fax roller ball. Option B, mouse, keyboard, monitor. Option C, mouse, keyboard, touch screen. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, mouse, keyboard, touch screen. Question number 3. What is the overall term for creating, editing, formatting, storing, retrieving a text document? Option A, word processing. Option B, spreadsheet designing. Option C, web design. Option D, database management. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A and D. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏది పెట్టినా కరెక్టేనండి. Option A, word processing. Option D, database management. Question number 4. DBMS is composed of tables that made up of rows called dash and columns called dash. Option A, fields, records. Option B, records, fields. Option C, address, fields. Option D, range, sheet. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, records, fields. Question number 5. A database that contains tables linked by common fields is called a dash. Option A, centralized database. Option B, flat file database. Option C, relational database. Option D, all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, relational database. A database that contains tables linked by common fields is called a relational database. Question number 6. Which of the following places the common data elements in order from smallest to largest? Option A, character, file, record, field, database. Option B, character, record, field, file, database. Option C, character, field, record, file, database. Option D, bit, byte, character, record, file, database. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, character, file, record, file, database. Question number 7. Which of the following contains information about a single entity in the database, like a person, place, event, or things? Option A, query. Option B, form. Option C, record. Option D, table. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, record. Question number 8. The primary key must be dash. Option A, numeric. Option B, unique. Option C, multiply. Option D, related. Correct answer వచ్చేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి. Question number 9. A program that generally has more user-friendly interface than a DBMS is a called? Option A, front end. Option B, repository. Option C, backend. Option D, farm DOS. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, farm DOS. Question number 10. Periodically adding, changing and deleting file records is called dash file. Option A, updating. Option B, upgrading. Option C, restructuring. Option D, renewing. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, updating. Question number 11. The smallest unit of information about a record in a database is called a dash. Option A, cell. Option B, file. Option C, record. Option D, query. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, file. Question number 12. Items such as names and addresses are considered as dash. Option A, input. Option B, data. Option C, output. Option D, records. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, input. Question number 13. Dash means that the data contained in a database is accurate and reliable. Option A, data redundancy. Option B, data integrity. Option C, data reliability. Option D, data consistency. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, data integrity. Question number 14. Which of the following objects is are contained in a database? Option A, table. Option B, queries. Option C, forms. Option D, all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of these. Question number 15. A dash is a collection of data that is stored electronically as a series of records in a table. Option A, spreadsheet. Option B, presentation. Option C, database. Option D, web page. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, database. Question number 16. A collection of conceptual tools for describing data, relationship, semantics and constraints is referred to as? Option A, ER model. Option B, database. Option C, data model. Option D, DBMS. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, data model. Question number 17. Dr. E.F. code represented dash rules that a database must obey if it has to be considered truly relational. Option A, 10. Option B, 8. Option C, 12. Option D, 6. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, 12. Question number 18. Dash is one reason for problems of data integrity. Option A, data availability constraints. Option B, data inconsistency. Option C, security constraints. Option D, unauthorized access of data. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, data availability constraints. Question number 19. In files, there is a key associated with each record which is used to differentiate among different records. For every file, there is at least one set of keys that is unique. Such a key is called? Option A, unique key. Option B, primary attribute. Option C, index key. Option D, primary key. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, primary key. Question number 20. Rows of a relation are called? Option A, relation. Option B, tuples. Option C, data structure. Option D, an entity. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, tuples. Question number 21. Dash provides total solution to reduce data redundancy, inconsistency, dependence and unauthorized access of data. Option A DBMS, option B tables, option C database, option D protection password. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D protection password. Protection password provides total solution to reduce data redundancy, inconsistency, dependence and unauthorized access of data. Question number 22nd. The database stores information in dash. Option A rows and columns, option B blocks, option C tracks and sectors, option D all of the above. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A rows and columns. Question number 23rd. Which of the following types of table constraint will prevent the entry of duplicate rows? Option A primary key, option B unique, option C null, option D foreign key. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A primary key. Question number 24th. The D base 3 plus is mostly used for. Option A office automation, option B database management problems, option C scientific problems, option D calculation only. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C scientific problems. The D base 3 plus is mostly used for scientific problems. Question number 25. Which out of the following is not a DBMS software? Option A DBase, option B FoxPro, option C Oracle, option D Database 2000. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D Database 2000. Database 2000 is not a DBMS software. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to GS Academy. సింగరేణి జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ 2022 కోసం కంప్యూటర్ అవేర్నెస్ నుండి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి యూఎస్బి రిఫర్స్ టు. ఆప్షన్ ఏ a storage device, option B a processor, option C a port type, option D a serial bus standard. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C a port type. Question number 2. DVD refers to. Option A digital video developer, option B digital video device, option C digital video disc, option D none of the above. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C digital video disc. DVD refers to digital video disc. Question number 3. A nibble is equal to dash bits. Option A 4 bits, option B 8 bits, option C 16 bits, option D 32 bits. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A 4 bits. A nibble is equal to 4 bits. Question number 4. A byte can represent any number between 0 and dash. Option A 2, option B 255, option C 256, option D 1024. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B 255. A byte can represent any number between 0 and 255. Question number 5. The term gigabyte refers to. Option A 1024 bytes, option B 1024 kilobytes, option C 1024 megabytes, option D 1024 gigabytes. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C 1024 megabytes. The term gigabyte refers to 1024 megabytes. Question number 6. The technique that extends storage capacities of main memory beyond the actual size of the main memory is called. Option A, multitasking. Option B, virtual storage. Option C, multiprocessing. Option D, multiprogramming. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, virtual storage. The technique that extends storage capacities of main memory beyond the actual size of the main memory is called virtual storage. Question number 7. Flash is dash. Option A, software. Option B, hardware. Option C, ROM. Option D, RAM. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, hardware. Flash is a hardware. Question number 8. Which of the following can be hold maximum data? Option A, optical disk. Option B, floppy disk. Option C, magnetic disk inside. Option D, magnetic tapes. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D, magnetic tapes. Magnetic tape can hold maximum data. Question number 9. Which storage device is mounted on rails? Option A, floppy disk. Option B, hard disk. Option C, magnetic tapes. Option D, CD-ROM. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, magnetic tapes. Magnetic tapes mounted on rails. Question number 10. Which of the following memory chip is faster? Option A, there is no certainty. Option B, DRAM. Option C, SRAM. Option D, RAM. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, SRAM. Question number 11. A disk content that is recorded at the time of manufacture and that cannot be changed or erased by the user is dash. Option A, memory only. Option B, write only. Option C, read only. Option D, run only. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, read only. Question number 12. Which of the following is an example of optical disc? Option A, digital versatile disc. Option B, magnetic disc. Option C, memory disc. Option D, data bus disc. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A, digital versatile disc. Question number 13. Cache and main memory will not be able to hold their contents when the power is off. They are dash. Option A, dynamic. Option B, static. Option C, volatile. Option D, non-volatile. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, volatile. Question number 14. The term dash refers to data storage system that make it possible for a computer or electronic device that store and retrieve data. Option A, retrieval technology. Option B, input technology. Option C, output technology. Option D, storage technology. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి, స్టోరేజ్ టెక్నాలజీ. Question number 15. Dash is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Option A, tracking. Option B, formatting. Option C, crashing. Option D, allotting. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ B, formatting. Question number 16. Which of the following is not in axis mode? Option A, random. Option B, sequential. Option C, continuous. Option D, direct. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C, continuous. Question number 17. The dash directory is mandatory for every disk. Option A, root. Option B, bare. Option C, sub. Option D, care. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A, root. The root directory is mandatory for every disk. Question number 18. Frequently accessed information is held in dash. Option A, hard drive. Option B, cache memory. Option C, flash memory. Option D, read only memory. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ B, cache memory. Question number 19. The primary device that a computer uses to store information is. Option A, TV. Option B, storehouse. Option C, disk. Option D, hard drive. Correct answer వచ్చేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి. Question number 20. A removable magnetic disk that holds information is. Option A, floppy disk. Option B, hard drive. Option C, monitor. Option D, portable. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A, floppy disk. Thank you for watching. Welcome to GS Academy. సింగరేణి జూనియర్ అసిస్టెంట్ 2022 కోసం కంప్యూటర్ అవేర్నెస్ నుండి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 21. కంప్యూటర్ మెమొరీ ఈజ్ నార్మల్లీ మెజర్డ్ ఇన్ డాష్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ, కిలోబైట్స్. ఆప్షన్ బి, మెగాబైట్స్. ఆప్షన్ సి, గిగాబైట్స్. ఆప్షన్ డి, టెరాబైట్స్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, మెగాబైట్స్. కంప్యూటర్ మెమొరీ ఈజ్ నార్మల్లీ మెజర్డ్ ఇన్ మెగాబైట్స్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 22. ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు రీప్రొడ్యూస్ సౌండ్ ఏ కంపాక్ట్ డిస్క్ CD audio player uses a dash. Option A, quartz crystal. Option B, titanium needles. Option C, laser beam. Option D, barium titanate ceramic. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C, laser beam. In order to reproduce sound, a compact disc audio player uses a laser beam. Question number 23rd. The CD-ROM drive is used to option A, play compact disc, option B, play music, option C, install software, option D, control digital information. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A, play compact disc. Question number 24. Full form of MB is option A, microbytes, option B, megabytes, option C, millibytes, option D, millibytes. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, megabytes. Question number 25. Information stored in RAM needed to be option A, check, option B, refresh periodically, option C, modify, option D, detecting errors. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, refresh periodically. Information stored in RAM needed to be refreshed periodically. Question number 26. Memory is made up of dash. Option A, set of wires, option B, set of circuits, option C, large number of cells, option D, all of the above. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, large number of cells. Memory is made up of large number of cells. Question number 27. Floppy disks are organized as option A, files, option B, heads and folders, option C, tracks and sector, option D, all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C, tracks and sector. Floppy disks are organized as tracks and sectors. Question number 28. The storage device used to compensate for the difference in rates of flow of data from one device to another is termed as option A, chip, option B, channel, option C, floppy, option D, buffer. Correct answer వచ్చేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి. Question number 29. Unit of storage capacity is option A, meters, option B, bits, option C, bus, option D, cubic meter. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B, bit. Unit of storage capacity is bit. Question number 30. Which of the following is not a ROM? ROM అంటే read only memory. Option A, PROM, option B, EPROM, option C, EEPROM, option D, EDP-ROM. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి, ఈడిపి రోమ్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 31. Dash is the ability of a device to jump directly to the requested data. Option A, sequential access. Option B, random access. Option C, quick access. Option D, all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ B, random access. Random access is the ability of a device to jump directly to the requested data. Question number 32. The dash is the amount of data that a storage device can move from the storage to the computer per second. Option A, data migration rate. Option B, data digitizing rate. Option C, data transfer rate. Option D, data access rate. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C, data transfer rate. The data transfer rate is the amount of data that a storage device can move from the storage to the computer per second. Question number 23. Virtual memory is option A, an extremely large main memory. Option B, an extremely large secondary memory. Option C, an illusion of extremely large main memory. Option D, a type of memory used in supercomputers. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C, an illusion of extremely large main memory. Virtual memory is an illusion of extremely large main memory. Question number 34. Dynamic RAM consumes dash power and dash than the static RAM. Option A, more, faster. Option B, more, slower. Option C, less, slower. Option D, less, faster. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C, less, slower. Dynamic RAM consumes less power and slower than the static RAM. Question number 35. Magnetic tape is not practical for applications where data must be quickly recalled because tape is dash. Option A, a random access medium. Option B, a sequential access medium. Option C, a read-only medium. Option D, fragile and easily damaged. Correct answer వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ B, a sequential access medium. Magnetic tape is not practical for applications where data must be quickly recalled because tapes is a sequential access medium. Question number 36. Both the ALU and control section have special purpose storage locations called option A, address. Option B, register. Option C, accumulator. Option D, bus. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option B. Register. Both the ALU and control section have special purpose storage locations called registers. Question number 37. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is option A 1.40 MB, option B 1.44 GB, option C 1.40 GB, option D 1.44 MB. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option D 1.44 MB. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk is 1.44 MB. Question number 38. Where are programs and data to be used by the computer available? Option A processing unit, option B output, option C storage, option D input. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option C storage. Storage are programs and data to be used by the computer available. Question number 39. The difference between memory and storage is that memory is dash and storage is option A temporary comma permanent, option B permanent comma temporary, option C slow comma fast, option D non-volatile comma volatile. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A temporary comma permanent. The difference between memory and storage is that memory is temporary and storage is permanent. Question number 40. Which of the following is the magnetic storage device? Option A hard disk, option B compact disk, option C tapes, option D all of these. Correct answer వచ్చేసి option A hard disk. Hard disk is the magnetic storage device. Thank you for watching.